Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Etoro Verification. This process is a crucial step in ensuring the security and compliance of your Etoro account. To begin, you will need to log in to your Etoro account and navigate to the verification section. First, you will be asked to provide identification documents. This typically includes a valid government-issued ID such as a passport or driver's license, and a proof of address document such as a utility bill or bank statement. The documents must be clear and legible, and must match the name and address on your Etoro account. Next, you will need to upload your documents to the Etoro platform. This can be done by taking a clear photo of the documents or by scanning them and saving them to your computer. Make sure the documents are in the correct format, such as PDF or JPEG, and that they are not too large to upload. Once your documents have been uploaded, Etoro will review them to verify your identity and address. This process can take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the volume of requests. You will receive an email notification once your account has been verified. It is essential to ensure that your documents are valid and up to date, as expired or invalid documents can cause delays in the verification process. Additionally, make sure that your name and address on your Etoro account match the ones on your identification documents. Best practices for Etoro verification include using a secure internet connection, keeping your account information up to date, and being cautious of phishing scams. It is also important to note that Etoro verification is a one-time process, and once your account is verified, you will not need to verify it again. In conclusion, Etoro verification is a straightforward process that requires providing identification documents and uploading them to the Etoro platform. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can ensure a smooth and efficient verification process and start trading on the Etoro platform with confidence.